Today I'm gonna open my presents. Woo! Hi, I am Bob. I am Faris's twin, and I'm here to tell you to like and subscribe Faris's channel. So I am now just gonna open the video real quick. So bye. Yay! Normally I need. Wait, let me just put here. Okay. Okay, guys, look, I got these. Yeah.
Huh? Huh?
I got these. I got two because there's two competitions, and I won of both of them. So for this reward for Faris and Dabby for winning this big competition, 12/5/2024. Here's my. It's backwards. Hello. Okay. Wait. The video. Okay. Faris and Dabby's speaking competition award. Okay, let's open up these presents. Video. Tell me to do video. Okay, let's open this up. I'm actually so excited. Okay, ready? Do this. Open. Okay, let's go. Woo. Okay, first this white. After this blue. After we will be happy. Okay, first damage the day. Yes. Yes. Ooh, wait. Look. Pink. You can see. Yeah. I got an art set for 100. Wait, 120 150. This is an art set. Okay, wait. Let's get this off from the back. Let's see what's in the back of this amazing and beautiful art set.
No! God, please, no! 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 No!
I wrap the tape. Oh, shoot. I am gonna be. Huh? Oh, yeah. Guys, just gonna change the camera to here because my mom don't want to be in camera. She wants to get a better view in the picture. On the picture. Okay, wait. I'm gonna wait. Page. I still don't open this plastic. Two videos. Still. I want to get this moment in the video. I won't open this in video. Okay, your phone. Saving your phone in your phone. Maybe my phone not become. Okay, guys. Okay. Ooh, come on. You help me? I am good. No problem. Need a little boy. He's opening. Oh, no opening. He's only two videos. Okay, let's wait. Let's do it. Warning! Choking hazard. Small pieces not for children under 3 years old. Okay, good. Made in China. Wow! Okay, 6 up. 6, I am 8. Do video. Madam, do video. Okay, we're gonna open this on cam, okay? On cam, boys. On cam. No. Ooh. Okay. No. Wait, let me see. Let me fix this. Let's see. Gotta find it later. Gotta find this, okay. Show you it. This little way. Okay, are you ready? Let's just do it. Help me. What is here? Okay, for putting for a graduating of Paris. Okay, are you ready? For 3. Okay, video start. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. 3, 2, 1, go. With the amazing art set. Wait. It smells not good, but good. It is good. Okay. Wait, don't. Okay. This is beautiful. So I'm gonna just do short. About. She's gonna have the art set. That's hers. She's gonna see it. Okay, what's the other one? Okay, I'm not gonna see it. Wait. Let's just get that piece. I'm not looking, but I'm almost. What? Good? It's not good. But look at this amazing blue and white. Blue and white. Okay, do video. What do you ask? So, but let me just go check. Okay, that was a terrible picture. By the way, I'm gonna edit this right away. Here, boom, that's the picture. Okay, the video. Problem no the picture. Okay, are you ready, folks?
Huh?
Folks, I don't. Alright, let's do it. I don't know. Do a little cut, to a small cut. What's inside this? If it's another art set, I am gonna be mad. Again, yes. I'm gonna be so mad. And yes, I was correct. Another art set. It's another.
Don't open this one.
Why? Why?
Open this one.
Yeah, but me saying why this no. Okay, I got you. Wait, let me see this. Check close. Let me see inside. Oh yes, I like it. Okay, so we're gonna give this for another percent. Another percent, okay? No, we give this to Adam. Okay. Beautiful and amazing art set. So what I got. Only that. Other people got more, but this one is amazing. So where's my bag? So these are my this is mine. So